Welcome back to Daily Power Boost. I'm Sean Michael, and today we're focusing on a topic that can make or break your success: limiting beliefs. These are the internal stories we tell ourselves that hold us back, often without us even realizing it. They affect our decisions, our confidence, and ultimately our potential.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going. I don't want no fake love.
Limiting beliefs are those persistent, nagging thoughts that tell us things like we're not enough, we're not smart enough, not talented enough, not ready, not qualified. And often, these beliefs come from past experiences, offhand comments people made to us, or even those moments of failure that we internalized as proof of our limits. But because we believe these ideas, they influence how we approach challenges and opportunities. Many times, they cause us to back away from them. One powerful way to deal with these limiting beliefs is to identify and question them. Start by asking yourself, what belief might be holding me back right now? Maybe you believe that you're not ready to pursue your dream job, or you think you don't have the skills to start a new project. Once you've identified a belief, put it to the test. Ask, is this really true? What evidence do I have to support this, or contradict it? By questioning these beliefs, you give yourself the opportunity to replace them with empowering thoughts. Let me share a story from my own life. Years ago, I held a limiting belief that I wasn't capable of public speaking. I had had a few shaky experiences, and I started telling myself, maybe I'm just not cut out for this. So every time an opportunity came up to speak or present, I'd feel this rush of anxiety, and I'd come up with reasons to avoid it. But one day, I decided to question the belief. I asked myself, is it really true? Or am I just afraid to step outside my comfort zone? I started by practicing in smaller settings and gradually worked up to larger groups. You know what? The belief started to fade. Now speaking is a big part of my life, and I wouldn't be here talking to you today if I hadn't changed that limiting belief. When you replace a limiting belief with an empowering one, you're not just changing a thought. You're changing your whole trajectory. Instead of telling myself, I'm not a good speaker, I began to believe I can improve with practice. It may sound simple, but this shift had a huge impact. It opened doors I would never have considered before, and it built my confidence in ways I hadn't even expected. So here's your challenge for today. Identify one limiting belief that may be holding you back and write it down. Then counter it with a positive, empowering belief. It might feel strange at first, but this exercise is about retraining your mind to see possibilities instead of limitations. Thank you for joining me on Daily Power Boost today. Tomorrow, we're going to look at imposter syndrome. Is it a friend or a foe? And how you can use doubt as a motivation. Until then, remember, every belief shapes your reality. So let's make them empowering ones.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going. I don't want no fake